If you want to make money on YouTube, but don't want the hassle of making complicated videos yourself, then the meditation niche is perfect for you. Channels like Michael Seeley, Power Thoughts Meditation Club, and 321 Relaxing Meditation Relax Clips have hundreds of thousands to 1 million subscribers just by posting meditation videos. The potential revenue from this niche is incredible, and these videos are easy to make. Here's how you can get started in this niche today. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Step 1. Get access to stock footage or images. If you've ever watched or listened to a meditation video, then you may be familiar with the signature still image as the background for its calming music and voiceovers. Typically, these images come from stock image websites like Pexels or Pixabay.com. These sites give their users access to a world of free media to use for various activities, and YouTube videos can be one of them. So, when you're making your meditation video, try to get your hands on pictures that depict calm imagery and use them as the main images in your video. Pictures of trees, lakes, mountains, the sky, or even space can help. Some channels have a theme, and it may be wise to follow one for your background pictures too. If your first video featured a zoomed-in image of a raindrop, then you should stick with the nature theme for your videos. Other channels use out-of-world imagery and stick with that for their channel, so be smart and choose a consistent theme for your background pictures before starting to upload. It can be anything as long as it's relaxing. Again, you can get these stock images and videos completely free on Pexels or Pixabay, so don't hesitate to try this out. Step 2. Record voiceovers. A lot of the popular meditation videos feature a calming voice instructing its listeners on how to breathe and what to think of and do with their body while they try to relax. To do this, you don't need much. If you can do some research on how to guide people through meditation and record your voice to add to your video, then you're good. You're probably thinking that you'd need a fancy microphone and audio editing software, but that won't be necessary. If you're on a budget, then just use the recorder on your phone for now. Find a quiet place, or better yet, a place where the sound of birds and winds are audible, and record in your most soothing voice. If this isn't something you believe you'd be good at, then you can go to a site called Fiverr and pay someone to record this voiceover for you. There are loads of professional meditation instructors on this website who offer reasonable prices to professionally record their meditation sessions for people. Once you've gotten that, you can loop this session over and over in one video to reach that hour-long length that most meditation videos are at. Longer videos means more watch time and chances for ad placements, so it'd be smart to make your videos as long as you can. People expect meditations to be long, so there's no shame in stretching it as much as you can. You can add relaxing sounds to your audio once you're done to really get that out-of-body vibe that these videos are supposed to have. If you're not sure how to get these sounds, don't worry. Free video editing softwares like Canva often offer free audio to use in videos as well. Search through their library to find the type of audio that suits meditations and add it in there with your voiceover. You can also get background music from the YouTube audio library completely free. There's lots of ways to add calming sounds to these videos. Step 3. Eye-catching thumbnails. Meditation videos aren't expected to be exciting or thrilling, but it doesn't mean that your video thumbnails shouldn't draw people to your videos. If you take some time to look through the channels mentioned earlier, each of their videos have enticing thumbnails that sum up what their videos are about. Meditation videos as a whole tend to make use of spiritual and out-of-body imagery. You may see videos where the thumbnail features a picture of space or the silhouette of a body in a meditative position. Some contain stunning depictions of nature and captions to guide viewers on what they'd be gaining through watching their videos. So just because meditation is an easy niche doesn't mean you have to get lazy with the thumbnails. You still want people to choose your video over others, so catch their attention with a great thumbnail. It works. To create these enticing thumbnails is pretty easy. Once again, you can get free stock images from websites like Pexels and edit them however you like using sites like Canva. Canva actually offers the option of creating YouTube thumbnails, so check that out to get your thumbnails looking their best. This may seem like something extremely small, but creating a spectacular or relaxing thumbnail for these videos can really increase your chances of having your content clicked. Catching people's attention is more than crucial in this competitive niche. Step 4. Post frequently. Once your videos are ready, you can go ahead and create a posting schedule and post as many of them as you can quickly. It's recommended to post videos every day to increase your chances of going viral, so that's what we're recommending. But if that's not possible for you, then try once a week. A good idea to not have the issue of creating videos every day after starting your channel is to make tons of videos in advance and then post after everything has been set up. That way, you'll have content waiting to be posted right after you've started your channel. No need to hassle and create videos frequently. Just post all the videos in stock daily and watch your channel grow without tiring yourself out. This method might be best when just starting off in any niche. Some of the meditation channels mentioned earlier actually don't post as often as the average channel would and still see great success. But channels in this niche who post regularly are likely to be even more successful, since more videos means more views, watch time, and greater chances of appearing on YouTube search pages. Michael Seeley's channel has done exceptionally well for itself by posting once a month on average. His channel currently has 1.53 million subscribers, and his videos averagely gain hundreds of thousands of views. But as a beginner, it may be best to start out posting frequently and leave the wide gaps in between posts for when your channel is established. In this niche, you'd still have a pretty high chance of making lots of money, even if you don't post frequently, since people will always be going back to old videos that deal with specific meditation processes, so you'd be all set once those videos start coming in. It's important to still post after you've become successful in order to keep your viewers interested and new viewers coming. This is a competitive niche, so stay on your toes. Posting live meditations now and then would also be a great idea, since lives contribute to watch time and can increase your viewership. Before we get into number 5, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Step 5. Monetize. For this sort of channel, there are tons of different ways to make money. You can go with the obvious ad revenue route, or you can try other ways of making money. Most people just use all monetization methods at once, since it's the smartest way to make the most of your channel. During your hour-long videos, you can place ads strategically after a certain amount of time has elapsed in your video. The long nature of meditation videos makes it easy to advertise as much as possible throughout each video you post. And this is yet another plus for this easy niche. But apart from earning through advertising, you can also make a lot by selling meditations to your viewers. A lot of the popular channels add a link in their video descriptions to get to a website with a list of different meditations to choose from for purchasing. You don't have to sell them for too much to make a substantial amount. Include special bundles and packs on your page that can cost a bit more than the average item, and include special discounts as well. If you manage to garner a large enough following, then there's a high likelihood that some of them would be interested in buying your meditation CDs to have their own personal copy. They may want to play it through their house, or before they go to bed, or while they're on the run, and would prefer not to have to open YouTube to do this. So this can be a great opportunity. Another way to earn cash through this niche can be through selling merchandise. You've probably heard of YouTube channels who do this and get a reasonable amount of sales. You can do it with this sort of channel too. Maybe try selling t-shirts with relaxing quotes on the front, or even mugs with the same sort of thing. The possibilities for merchandising are endless, and many fans of yours would be interested in buying what you're selling. You can also set up a Patreon, where you can give a little extra to your subscribers and they can provide donations to you. If you're lucky enough to have lots of passionate followers, then this can really add to your channel earnings. Be sure to link this in your description and on your main channel so subscribers can know about it and pitch in if they want to. Another idea can be to offer personal meditation sessions through video call for $50 to $100. Whatever price you're comfortable with can work. If you're versed in guiding people through meditation, then this might be something worth looking into. There are plenty of ways to monetize this sort of channel, so don't miss out on any when you've started gaining attention. Make sure to check out the next video for more faceless channel ideas. See you there.